Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to use the Steam app. So you want to first install Steam from the website. I already have Steam installed. As you can see, I have it opened up over here, but you basically press on install. It's going to download, and once that's done, you just want to install it in the same way you do any software. Once you've done installing it, you want to open up your Steam, and it's going to ask you for an account name and password. Your account name is this one, and your password is whatever password you set it. So I'm going to put in my account name here, and now I'm going to put in my password. You can, if you want to stay logged in, you want to press on remember my password, but since I don't want to stay logged in, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to press on login. Once I press on login, oh, seems like I put in the wrong password, huh? Okay. Oh god, I keep on writing the wrong password over and over again. Alright, I'm back. Apparently, I have no idea what happened. I tried to reset my password. It says I can't input the same password. I exited it, I reopened it, and it worked. So, yeah, not really sure what happened, but with that being said, as you can see, I have successfully opened up Steam on the Steam app. I have logged in, and yeah, that's about it. So from here, you wanna top up on your credit, and you can buy any games you want. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if it did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.